I am back at my childhood home, helping my 87-year-old mother with some things in my home state of Georgia this week, and this is the very serene, surreal experience from her back deck. Oh my God. Listen to this. Oh my God. I would literally move my work desk out here to this deck and I would get so much done. I would either get so much done or I would get nothing done but reading. This is like a jungle. I forgot how beautiful this is. All right. Hello, Squirble. He's looking right at me. Hello, buddy. Oh, hi! Oh my God, how cute. Psh, ridiculous. Do they know how cute they are? No way. All right. This is fantastic. All right. Love you. See you. Bye-bye.